Bia Kamal, bana leram bana jeling. Take to del misha yen, guas misha check cha janekten, and to del mo. Shala do jen ba jelun reti jen, jandana bana ling, kajen to del shi check na gana ka kor guas e payo. Mi jiram jidit ka nor online TV channel gore je en wo jender je nyoga nasin ko ken ban leram bana je chulin ken. To del metedi nak shekone, kanaga jedi. Bana jelin ke rega me tuwakare wich ka South Sudan gwai bana shure ler kana me ka jen ler me te ga tudel mi ci chek nak ka ron kina dangra wir jen dangra we ci wo jen me ci chek ja nak chek South Sudanese jen chwa je yen kuma ka dwere chalat tudel be ye nyot turo da gwas mone antame ci kuma jalad no jen cherun ka dangraw che ka tugre ti jien ka kujamo ba jaluñ en tuddala me na me jen tuddala dane cha yen ko cha shek cha janak en yene cha yene jen cha jamu karun dangraw te be nire ti jien antam ko yane ke ron kin dangraw jen dangraw de ro cha chomno ka ron kin dangraw jen dangraw de diok ron kin dangro jen dangro do ngwan tam ron kin dangro jen dangro de die jelo chirme ka run diok reti jen antak dala mane cha yen lo tene reti jen point de cetera jen tu del roma mi guji ja rom ala eneme I want to del me point de wajen cha chek cha yet dani jaga wida ko ngai kona kan dirti la ran roda Yoruba road be ji yet ka wida ke ka dara ko do bran choro yor ka je chu kum je chu guje no jen ba je yen ko sharan te jenak an gwadan cha yen tin cha yen ka military camp ni ga gwase dan an tam cha la do ba je luñ cha ler ma cha jalat kuma South Sudan ano chidele me cherun ka te konte chenin chirme tam de la ro chetene ka rundang diok re ti jen gwade cha je yen tin tele me cha lela banje lingwada me ko gwarna na shagore ko gwade dan che la na walbo ko runte kon me chere ko che jatuk ban te mo ko la chang danan chalra je kumen wo baje lunke ja bu kono chu linkel ko do danan chano ga ja lit okay in a bizarre turn of event, a ship that was jailed in 2022 for allegedly causing the death of a woman is set to be released after completing its term at a military camp. The case, which captivated many, involved an unusual legal situation where an animal faced punishment for its action. The story began when the ship owned by a local man reportedly caused the death of a woman in a tragic incident. The court found the ship to be the direct cause of the woman's death, leading to its imprisonment in a military camp. In a surprising twist, the owner of the ship was not arrested, as he was considered innocent in the matter. Instead, as part of the settlement, he was required to provide 5 cows to the family of the deceased woman as compensation for the loss. The court ruling has sparked both confusion and curiosity, with many questioning how can an animal could be held accountable for such an incident. However, the legal system found it necessary to take action given the circumstances surrounding the tragic event. Now, after serving its time in the military camp, the ship is set to be released back into the care of its owner, who has adhered to the court decision. The unique case has raised interesting questions about animal rights, the responsibilities of pet owners, and the intersection of justice and tradition. As the ship prepared for its release, it remains as a symbol of an unusual chapter in the country's legal history, reminding us that sometimes the law can take unexpected turns. En gwande endele me ki en tudel romane me gwana kana yen gwana jen nyuro mo gwal duno cha jako jen be ok ti shop ka diej ba yor pin ba kam shi man shi ka dan cha ne ka tudele me china ko cha je go no jen free tere dwer mi chalat chu point den tudele mo jen ne dan cha yen chu tere te jen ka runa tine ware ngono kana mi je go no odong de del ki leide je yen re te jen but jen cha je yen re te jen la military barrack jen gwa dan te tin ka karunang jokoti kana liu tekne jen teten ko ni ne run ka antama mi cha lukre nyoko luka cha go jen no jen baje luin ko che run te kon te che ni ne je mi che ka to ke run ka mene ten la gwan del cha me cha luk cha je no tele je dwer ano del uro de yurano na to kuje mo daru ka tin ko ken bo tango ran te ke jok yo jok ran mi cha ran cham yo la go la lar gen en gwan de jen ba ka bone nambola teten gwana la kap ko de in case min ta misha jog misha wonna ka je misha mi jek chap anga mi den de chole je so wa jen la lar ka mono an gwanda jen te ga dwero ko da dun da je kam nga je yet chet ka jok de gwana je ka ko chara den che de cham an mu dong ko lo cham ni char ka wara mo ko le jen shoto mi ko ran ko je ma ka chang der ke cham ran chang der no mo ala gwan mo ka je la te ga dwero na so ko kuje mo ajen dana gode nyo ye kel del me chala do ba jaluñ ka kor ka me churun ga dang jok che ka tukre ti jen gwa mi che shek che nakten ka wide